If you sum up all of the world's reported COVID-19 deaths from all countries since the beginning of the pandemic, you'll get a number something like 6.2 million. At least that's the number Our World in Data has tallied up. But we've known for quite some time that is a pretty severe underestimate. For one, not all COVID-19 deaths have been tested, recorded on death certificates and counted.
Those numbers should be recorded, and in this day and age, it's incredible that we don't have registration systems, so we can't catalogue the departed.
And then there's a whole host of other indirect impacts of the pandemic on health and mortality that aren't captured in the COVID figures. That's why the WHO has tried to estimate what's called excess mortality. Put simply, try to work out how many more people have died of all causes than you'd expect to see in an ordinary non-pandemic year. And when they did that, they reached an estimate of about 15 million deaths. Some countries have recorded far more excess deaths than others through the pandemic. Peru is one example. Another is India. Both countries that fared far worse on pandemic outcomes than the official death toll numbers might suggest.
You know, the healthcare systems were overwhelmed. And a lot of those deaths were in rural areas. And so the majority of those deaths weren't reported officially. And so that's why we see this huge difference. For India, there's a tenfold difference between the reported official number of deaths and then the excess deaths that we've estimated.
And even that 15 million estimate from the World Health Organization is likely higher now. Its estimates only go up to the end of 2021, excluding the worldwide Omicron wave at the start of this year.